I don't care, and I don't give a crap what YouTube says. Oh ho 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 ho. You got roasted.
So the storm was too powerful, so we have to evacuate?
What is evacuate?
Oh. It is about you move to another safe place. That doesn't kill you.
Kill you?
Why did I say that to you? I forgot that you were autism.
Line of slashes?
What?
Dark face, dump. Sidak. Pokemon, Pokemon, Pokemon. I want Pokemon cards.
You are not responsible for Pokemon cards.
Damn!
What did you just say?
Whoa, 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 a tree just fell. Why do I have to live in Canada? Error, virus, dunk, dot, sub, blah, 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 available. We battery low. Cold destroying it.
Oh no. Freezing rain.